It's TimWanderer. We're out again today. We are launching from Scarborough and we are heading to Tangalooma for an overnighter. Strong current today, I tell ya. Quick, get the net! There's a lot of boats from left to right. You know that yellow boy? I like that yellow boy. That's empty.
Where is the yellow?
Behind the rubber ducky. Okay, try again about this point. This is so cramped.
I just saw Snowball though. Is it cold?
Right there.
Turtle! Just about to it. Can I? Wait, can I swim?
Alright, you go. Okay, everyone has life jacket.
Life jacket.
Think about the current. Is the current strong? It's strong. So many people, look at that. Wow, look at Mom. What's for lunch, Mummy?
Ham sandwich.
Oh my god, look at him, now it's out. It's bigger than ours, that anchor. Oh, someone's back. Oh, easy.
It's so pretty.
Tide has just turned, that's why all the boats turning slowly this way. Our police actually here, look.
Wow.
Hello. Welcome. Welcome back. You're doing well. Look at that. It's gonna go fast. Look at the size of that motor though. Is it safe to leave the boat with the keys here? I guess no one's gonna steal it, right? Where are they? I lost my kids, I don't know where they are. I'm just going to go back up to that spot. You want to swim across first?
Oh, it's up to you. Are you alright? You go, we'll wait. Yeah, we're all good. We'll wait.
Alright. He's coming towards us.
Don't mind us, we'll just squeeze through there.
You're leaving?
No, staying. Just resetting the anchor.
Guys. That's how fast the current is. Watch, Dad. Oh.
That's what you want, right, girls? Look. Look.
Should we try to wrestle?
Ooh, that close. That's like a fishing boat.
Why? Because then I'll get dirty.
Well, my head's not straight.
They're not moving before those legs. Ah, right. Whoa, and then I've got a boat coming this way.
Did you bring match?
Fun row sunset. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Turtle again. Turtle.
Yes, start eating. Bolognese, spaghetti bolognese.
Spaghetti bolognese. And you got your sausage. So that's the cabin room. That's the chair room. Or the cockpit room. Yeah, that's the bathroom.
Is this Daddy? His room is getting built.
Good job. And then there's the ocean room.
I'm baby Moses floating in the sea.
It's now 7:10. I'm thinking to leave at 10.
Oh.
10 or 11. It's alright. No good. Good morning. It's still very strong, the current, you can see that.
Yeah, I know. Come on, boy, you got it. Eat it.
Last time. Oh my goodness. Watch out, I'm coming.
It touched me.
It's like piranhas. Yeah. I don't have fins, I'm moving. You guys grab that first. Should I flip?
No, please do not. Just jump. Big bomb though.
Well, that was underwhelming.
Yuck!
He's gonna die in the water if we get rid of him. You're not going?
I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Come on up, just sit up here. Grab the stairs. Strong current today, I tell ya. You've got a rope? Do you have a rope you can chuck? Yeah. What a day. Lots of people. The barge just arrived. Everyone's here. We're trying to get out now because wind and rain is going to pick up later on today. Very strong current. Everyone is struggling. Whoa! Make sure you push. Yeah? Lots of rescue today, I see.
Yeah, there will be. There will be. So it's a bit quieter today than yesterday. Yesterday when we set up on the beach, you couldn't even see the wrecks. There was that many boats.
Yeah, there were that many. That's true.
Have a nice day.
You too, mate. If you enjoyed the video, can you hit the like, share and subscribe button? It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. No, definitely a fish. Get the net. Oh, lost it. Lost it.
Who's that?
Oh, got one. Oh, let loose. Quick, get the net. Oh, no, look at that. Even my lure's gone. Almost had a macro for dinner. Nah. Anyway, time to go home.